Hello, if you want to tell longer stories with Alice or stories with more sophisticated backgrounds and characters, there's a version of Alice called Storytelling Alice, which you can download from the same place and which I'm running right now. Since Alice is not installed, you can have multiple versions of Alice on your computer and they won't conflict with each other. There are two big differences with Storytelling Alice. One is that when you add new objects, you get to select from a different gallery. And the local gallery here has scenes and characters. And as you can see, there are a lot more detailed scenes than in the regular version. And in addition, all the characters are more or less people. There are some animals, but this is much more of a people-oriented world. The other thing about Storytelling Alice, and let me make a little more room here to show you this, is that you can have multiple scenes. If our first scene is on grass, as I created it here, you can create a new scene, and we'll call this scene 2, and we'll choose snow as the background. And we can then populate this scene just like a regular scene. To see how to shift between scenes, the best thing you can do is to go to one of the examples. So let's open a world. We can discard that one and go to examples and go to multiple scenes. And the character there, if you run it, will tell you about it. Sometimes, okay, you want to start at school. Let's go there. And here we are at a new scene. The other scenes still exist, and if you're not careful, you can have characters talking from other scenes, as the snail points out. And in fact, this snail has multiple instances of himself. It's not the same snail. There's the same looking snail in 3 different scenes. So you have to fully populate each scene. To get a better idea of how to do this, you can examine the code in this example here, but I'll show you the key command. If you go to Camera Methods, Camera Move to Scene Tripod, and then we go to Camera Tripods. If we want to go back to the school, we just click here, and there we are back. So I'm not going to go into further detail. I just wanted to show you that this exists. You can play with it and learn it yourself. And if you need any help, just contact me and I'll be happy to help you. And that's all I've got for now.